this video, I'm going to be taking you with me into downtown Los Angeles, as I'm going to be going to Zara and H&M and checking out the sales they got before the holiday deals end. I'm going to be going with you because I'm redoing my wardrobe and I'm getting the most essentials that I could get for the lowest budget. Let's have fun and see what we find.
Thank you for tuning in to The Style Show with your host. Welcome to The Style Show. Welcome to The Style Show. Yeah. Welcome to The Style Show. Welcome to The Style Show. Yeah.
If I get arrested, you saw it. I walked through without paying.
Yeah, I decided to come downtown and just, I like the vibe down here, so I felt like my style today was really representing. Might try and find some of those stores. We're still working on the budget, wardrobe, refreshment, so I might try and see like what's around here. I'm in the women's department in Zara, and I think I just came up with the best hack I've ever seen in my life, which is women's outerwear. Because one, oh my gosh, yo, this just looks crazy. Like, it's the cropped, warm, and it's also 59 versus in the men's being like 120 or something like that. Like, this is insane. But like, you wouldn't necessarily know until you knew. That's just how it feels. You got pockets, just pockets. Just go like, wow, you know what I'm saying? Keep it chillo. I want you to see my full figure. Keep track of me. Walk in the women's department, try some extra larges on, depending on your size. This is crazy. I can't believe I discovered this like too late. Like, I can't believe I've never like really came in here and looked, because it's like that whole cropped look is exactly what you want. All right, well, now I'm in the men's department because let me just stay in my lane for a little bit. Like 39 for this. I feel like some of this is doable also. Yeah, all this stuff I saw the other day at the other store did not have this sale, so I'm like, maybe this is what I gotta do. The H&M sale's a little bit better right now than the Zara, for men at least, size that I should be going for, and I feel like that's the size I should get. Not that I would really wear it like that, but just kind of have like a workwear jacket. Might have to pass on this John, I think. I was nervous. He saw me put the camera. This isn't bad. I mean, it's a nice little bomber just to throw on. It says like Soho. Is this the play? And it's just deciding on the size, whether, because it's small. Holy crap. I need a medium. Just if there is a medium, there's a medium. Let me try the medium. Because I did like the size of that small. It did just feel like if I wasn't. Let's just see, because that's gonna change. I wanted to have more of a short fit, but also like big in the arms. Yeah, I feel like the medium's a safer choice. I'm looking like they're gonna find me. I'm not supposed to record. Okay, there's apparently one mirror in this whole place. Low-key not against this. I'm not against it at all. Does this look good?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, thanks. It's women's. Yeah,
European style.
European?
Yeah.
Ah.
Like you're from Europe.
Oh, Europe.
Yeah.
Thank you. European. She said European. I'm dead. She said, looks like I'm from Europe. European. Oh my God.
Did you just get that done?
Last night.
Really?
Yeah, appreciate it. Oh my gosh.
I want to get that thing.
What are you doing? Where?
That's the flower of life, no?
Yeah.
I was gonna get that too.
Oh, nice. Then I came here right today to tell you, yes. Okay, thank you. Hey. Yeah, okay. So that's crazy how the lady was getting a tattoo today later on and she was wanting that and then I pull up and I'm like, "Oh my God." Okay, I didn't actually expect to come out with that there, but essentially we needed those two pieces. I don't really see how, well, I do see how they made sense because they're unique pieces for the, you know, for the clothing haul, but also they were cheap and they were on sale and still I can withdraw or I could exchange or return them. So we might shoot a video with them and then return them hoes.